How to make two-sided copies on the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 4301 to 4303 printer series. You can use the document feeder on your HP printer to create two-sided copies of documents without manually flipping the page. Insert the original document into the Automatic Document Feeder, or ADF for short. The original document must be inserted with the first page facing upward. Set the paper guides to fit the paper size. From the Control Panel home screen, select Copy and then select Copy again. Depending on whether your original document is one-sided or two-sided, select one-sided to two-sided or two-sided to two-sided from the two-sided copy options on the printer control panel. One-sided to two-sided copies the content of a single-sided original document onto both sides. Two-sided to two-sided makes two-sided copies of a two-sided original document. Make your selection and then select Copy to begin the copy process. The two-sided copy then prints. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.